Let's have a look at some of the top news. What are you just a little bit worried about at this stage? I don't think they like dating. Something tells me they don't like dating. You remember some years ago they actually banned dating ads for some while? And what they saw was back then that the people were complaining about dating ads basically. And we were quite aggressive on the Facebook platform, of course. It was a wonderful place to advertise. So they just flat out banned that dating advertising for some period and then started whitelisting dating apps back onto the platform. Match, eHarmony, etc. So Facebook dating was announced in May 2018. They finally rolled out in the USA very recently. They did test in South America and Southeast Asia first to refine the product. And it's opt-in. Of course, it's focused more on serious relationships. They're free. There's no ads, although Facebook has recently changed its tagline. And so what's their key messaging and tagline? It's free and always will be. Who does that remind you of? Remember Plenty of Fish? So Plenty of Fish was put away your credit card. And then it's quick and easy, which says a couple of things. Back in 2018, we actually did a survey of industry executives to see what you thought of Facebook entering the market. So this was called 39 Dating Industry CEOs Weigh In on Facebook's Entry into the Dating Market. And the two things that I remember from that feedback, Mandy Ginsberg, the head of Match, said, we're not worried, we welcome them into the market, and it only underscores, it should grow the market overall. Which makes sense. And my favorite comment came from Andrei, the CEO of Mamba, the top dating site in Russia, and he said, at the opposite end of the scale of positivity, he said, look, when Facebook dating enters the market, they'll take 50% of the dating market. When Instagram enters the dating market, they'll take the other 50%. Hopefully not. How does the market react to the news that Facebook was entering the market? Here we see a graph of Match Group stock performance, and this is the point at which Facebook dating was announced. So it's actually quite a considerable bump. The market was not quite so bullish about Match after that announcement, but it recovered in time. And then they had another little bump when Facebook was announced as launching in the USA. Wisdom of the crowds, user sentiment tells you something, investor sentiment tells you something. But overall, Match growth, it's 240% growth in the last 2 years for their stock. 41% up 41% year over year, so doing tremendously.